Okay, show.
Having jointly planned the lesson study, Andy teaches the study lesson.
Yes.
Louise focuses on the target pupils and their responses at different points during the lesson. She makes notes on how well the children are learning, whether the desired outcomes are being achieved, and any potential barriers to learning.
Now the question is, what do you think is lurking underneath the shapes? What do you think might be lurking under them? Cameron? Numbers. Big numbers, small numbers, do you reckon?
Very big numbers.
Very... Oh. You know me. You're wrong. Underneath, oh, big numbers. Big numbers. We're starting easy today. Okay, so we've got some nice easy numbers there to add up. Well, let's see how you get on your whiteboards first of all. Let's do some adding. So did you say them straight through? Georgia, I need to be able to see how you've done it. Right, don't forget I'm going to want to be able to see how it's done, not just the answer. Right, are we ready to show answers? Right, let's have some answers. And now the inevitable. Well done. Put your answers down. Now, who can explain what they did and why? Who can explain what they did and why? Cameron.
You work out the number bonds of 7 plus 3, they're best friends,
Right.
and that equals 10.
7 and 3
Is 10.
is 10.
They're best friends.
Yep.
Then the biggest number is 9.
Yep.
So 10 plus 9 equals 19.
Okay.
19 plus 8 equals...
Come on.
19 plus 8. 27.
Brilliant.
Then 27
Yep.
plus the last number 5 equals 32.
Wonderful. I wish I could explain it that well sometimes. Very good. Very good. Anyone do it a different way? Anyone anything different? Maisie.
It's almost the same as Cameron's, but I added the 8 and the 5 and then just added it onto the 19, except instead of adding them separately.
Right, Tom.
I just done it the easiest way, doing 9, add 8, add 7, add 5, add 3, and it equals 32.
Should we look at another set of numbers? Ah, dear. You knew I'd get big numbers sooner or later. You were right. Let's have a go at the bigger numbers. Off you go. Ready to show your answers. Right, and show them. And we should have brilliant 138. Explanation. Explanation. Alex.
54 add 46 equals 100, then add 38.
Well done. Can you see the similarity between that and what we did, what Cameron did?
Yeah. Number bond.
It's exactly the same number bond, isn't it? Right, Daniel.
I did it more simpler. I did 50 add 40 equals 90.
Yep.
And I did 4 add 6 equals 10. And then I did 90 add 10 equals 100.
Yep.
And I just did 100 plus 38 equals 138.
Well done. 89 and 21 with the check. And instead of asking the answer, how did you check it? Georgia.
I did 110 minus 21 equals 89.
Brilliant. And who else should we have? Let's have Francesca.
I did 110 take away 89 equals 21.
On your table, you'll find some number cards and some instructions. Number cards and instructions. You're working in pairs. And mean as I am, you can read the instructions for yourselves and work out what you've got to do.
462.
600.
492. 8. Okay, so 492. Let me choose. I'll choose this one. And 490. We have to estimate them first. Okay.
Add it up.
We estimate 1,000. 409. 1,409. Maybe.
That would be a million, them two together.
Yeah, maybe.
No, hang on. They're hundreds, so it'd be thousands together.
Yeah, that's
So it'd be 1,020, should we say?